our search for the perfect sofa, we came across the futon shop. We are specifically looking for a sofa made with natural materials that would fit our lifestyle for years to come. We found the organic 5-piece modular sectional sofa, and it was exactly what we had in mind. The removable and washable covers, natural material components, and ability to change its shape as our space evolves fits our active and sustainable lifestyle perfectly. We ordered several fabric samples from the website, which made it easy to pick out the perfect cover material. There's a huge selection of natural fabric styles and colors available. The flax cotton basket weave was perfect for our living space. You can also customize details like the cushion material, how the cushion edges are sewn, and leg color. Everything is made to order in the USA, which we really appreciate. This is difficult to find with quality furniture, and the 50-year reputation of the futon shop gives us peace of mind that we can always order replacement covers or matching furniture in the future. The sofa came well packaged in bubble wrap, protective bags, and heavy-duty cardboard on one pallet delivered to our garage. It's kind of nice, you can just open it up. Ooh.
Oh, that's very nice.
The color is perfect. Super comfy.
Got it?
I gotta get the bottom. Modular design means 2 people can carry just one piece of the sofa at a time. Getting a couch this large upstairs or through narrow doorways has never been easier. Once we moved the couch into the space and removed each piece from its packaging, the only real assembly is attaching the legs. Just 2 of the supplied screws in each leg is all it takes.
So we're just gonna line up the edge of the foot with the inside of that fabric edge, which, by the way, is so nice and even all the way around. I'm really impressed with like the manufacturing quality. It's just extremely neat. These little contraptions are how it actually joins. So the bottom triangular piece is the male, and these guys swing out and they just have some little like ratchet pawls. They're spring loaded and they'll just grip onto that little triangle. This swings out like this and you can link 2 pieces together and they won't slide away from each other.
Ooh.
Yep, there it goes.
Wow.
Crunches right together.
That was so easy. Look at this. It looks amazing.
Crunch it.
Woo!
It keeps it together like this, but if you lift up, you just snap them right apart.
That's good to know. That's so satisfying.
Mm-hmm.
It's so rare to find high quality furniture that's made in the USA, and even more rare with all natural materials. There's no flame retardant chemicals in this sofa like there are with most typical petroleum-based sofas. Not only can you remove the covers for cleaning very easily, there's these zippers, but you can also see what's inside each cushion. So ready, we're gonna unzip this, and you can see the wool. How cool is that? And there you have it. Did I get a dog? Oh, he's an excited boy.
What do we have here?
He says, "This is my couch, guys."